Here I have Infinix Hot 4D Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all I need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, volume down, power button, and we got these screenshots. So when you're done taking screenshots, you can find them in gallery. In the special screenshots album. And here they are. From here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.